Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. In this video I am going to explain what is the meaning of commerce. Commerce is the process of exchange of goods and services. In other words, what is commerce? Commerce is equal to trade plus aids to trade. What is trade? Trade means nothing but the process of buying and selling of goods. Aids to trade, that is auxiliaries to trade, that is facilities that help the trade. Number of facilities are there. They are helping in bringing the goods and services from producer to final consumer. Number one is what? Number one is transportation. Number two, finance. Number three, warehousing. Number four, insurance. Next, number five, advertising. Number six, packing. These are the facilities. These facilities are helping to trade in bringing the goods and services from producer to consumer. So many activities are there between whom producer to final consumer. All those activities are comes under what? Comes under commerce. You take example of cotton cloth. Where cotton is produced? Cotton is produced in where? In the fields. After producing the cotton in the fields, it is transported by way of transportation facility. It is shifted to where? It is shifted to market yards. From market yards, it is shifted to factories. In factories, what is going on? The raw materials are converted into semi-raw material. Semi-raw materials are converted into finished products. Cotton. Cotton is a raw material. We are converting into where? Threads. Threads are converted into cloth. During this period, factories needs finance. They are raising the finance. They are raising the funds from where? Banks, by way of taking loans and advances. After producing what? After producing the finished product, the same finished goods are kept in one safe custody. That place is called warehouse. Up to creation of demand in the market, we kept the goods in safe custody by way of what? Warehouse facility. And that too, in the warehouse, goods are, to safeguard the goods, we are taking what? We are taking the insurance policy. Insurance policy is any loss occurred, that loss is transferred to insurance company. So insurance facilities are also helping to the whom? To safeguard the goods. And after that, it is supplied to the whom? To the wholesaler. Wholesaler is a person who is purchasing the goods in bulky quantity from factories and selling to whom? Selling to the retailer. Who is retailer? Retailer is a person who is purchasing the goods from where? Purchasing the goods from wholesaler according to his requirements. After purchasing from the wholesaler, the retailer is what? Retailer is selling the goods to the final consumer. Here, the business people are making advertisement. Advertisement, what is advertisement? Advertisement means carries information about the availability of product in the market. And during this period, what is there? Also, we are to save the goods from alteration of goods, we are making packing of goods. Attractive packing is undertaken for the purpose of what? For the purpose of safeguard the goods, and this is another facility, packing facility, helping in bringing the goods and services from producer to final consumer. So here so many facilities are helping to the trade in bringing the goods and services from producer to final consumer. Here transportation is there, transportation, and banking is another facility, warehousing is a facility, insurance is a facility, and advertisement is another facility, packing is another facility. These facilities are helping to the trade in bringing the goods and services from producer to final consumer. Thank you, my dear students.